Hi everybody, I'm Ellie with T-sportline. I hope that you have enjoyed the dozens of videos that we've created so far about Cybertrucks that we've wrapped and customized. And today I want to show you one that is completely different than what we've been doing for the past several months. This particular customer had the vision that as soon as he gets his new Cybertruck, he wanted it to have a rust appearance. And apparently that's a pretty popular thing because for those of you that know, inside your Cybertruck, when you go to change the image of how your avatar, of how your Cybertruck looks on your screen, inside, there's an option to give it a rust look. So this customer is completely enamored with that appearance, and that's exactly what he wanted, and that's exactly what we gave him. Take a look at this custom printed vinyl wrap for this Cybertruck. It has an incredible one-of-a-kind rust appearance. We designed and created this look in-house together with the customer. It is on our website, and this is what he chose, and I absolutely love the way it turned out. Take a look at this beautiful matte finish and how it just flows throughout the Cybertruck on all the different panels, giving it truly a one-of-a-kind rust appearance, even though it's clearly not rusty. Now, this customer wanted to take things to another level and just complete the overall appearance, and the best way to do that is to change your wheels and tires on your Cybertruck. He chose my favorite, our largest, the best size 24-inch CTM fully forged wheels with our really cool floating t-sportline center caps that covers up all the mounting hardware and just gives a really good full face, fully forged monoblock appearance that works on all Cybertrucks in all colors, especially on this wrap. And he went with the satin finish on the wheels because the wrap's got a satin matte finish. It just works perfectly, especially with all the black lower trim that's on the Cybertruck, the wheel arches, the side mirrors, the running boards, side skirts. It just works great together. So what do you guys think about this rust wrap? Is that for you? I mean, I personally appreciate it, but at the end of the day, you know I love gloss black. But I want to hear some comments below about what do you guys think? How would you wrap your Cybertruck? Again, some thoughts on this rust wrap. If you love our content, just go ahead and subscribe to our channel. I have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.